Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to teach you how to install Windows 3.1 on VMware. And this video is going to be a little bit different because I have not done a VMware video on how to install something on it yet. So, I used to use VMware a lot. As you can see to the left, you see like a whole bunch of operating systems. But anyways, I'm surprised my whole storage isn't taken up, but I do have 1 terabyte. But anyways, what you're going to want to do is to click I will install the operating system later, then click next. Then Microsoft Windows, and then 3.1. Now it's already selected because I was testing this before to see. Next, then Windows 3.1. We'll stay with 3 gigabytes, or 8 gigabytes Stores a single file next. Then customize hardware. And what you're going to do here is to click the add button. And I don't know if you just saw that, but if you did, it would say yes. It's the user account control thing. And then you're going to want to click floppy drive, then click next, then use floppy image, then next. Then browse for your floppy image. No, that's the 3.1 thing. Mine are stored on the desktop. Disk 1 setup, click open, then next. Then finish. And then for the hardware, you just click close. And then it should say, scroll down here, it should say, hold on, I don't know why. Okay, it's there anyways. So then we can go ahead and click finish. And then it'll bring you to this window that says Windows 3.1. And then just go ahead and click play virtual machine. And click yes if that pops up for you. It always does for me in VMware. And now you're just going to want to install MS-DOS. And there will be a link in the description how to install MS-DOS for VMware. So, I will be right back after I'm done installing. So now that is finished, go ahead and just type in, well, before you just do that, go to removable devices, then floppy settings. And yes, make sure that you have the cd-rom.image in it, or else this will not work. But what you're going to want to do is to go into the, oh wait, I don't have it downloaded. Well, I have it downloaded, but it's in the downloads tab. And then you're going to want to go to the Windows 3.1 OEM, and then go to disk1.image, click open, and click OK. And then click A drive, and then go to setup. And then it says welcome to Windows setup. And just do all that stuff. So just press enter, then do enter again. And right now it's just gonna copy the files, and what that means is that you need to enter the disk number 2. Let's go to removable devices, floppy settings, then find disk number 2. Then OK. Disk 02. Okay. Then press enter. And now it's going to need disk number 3. So just do what it says and go to removable devices and floppy settings. And then find disk number 3. Then OK. Then enter. And then it's going to reboot into the UI. And just enter your name, so I'll type in AFZ Film. Then enter the work group. I'm pretty sure you can enter anything, but I'm just going to enter work group just in case. Yes. And right now, it's just going to do all this stuff. Now it's going to make you insert disk number 4, so just go into removable devices, then floppy, then settings. Then go to browse, then find disk number 4, and okay, and then enter. And now it's going to, then after all this is done, it's going to ask you for number 5, disk number 5. Then go into player, then removable devices, then floppy, then settings, then browse for disk number 5. And then press enter to continue. I just always press enter. You don't really have to, but I do it anyways. So then now it's gonna ask you for disk number 6. Then enter in disk number 6. And I remember that on the one in VirtualBox, it did not make you do disk number 7, but maybe in VMware this is different. Maybe you have to have disk number 7. Continue, and now it has finished with that. So now you don't have to do the printer one. Just press cancel. And then this is not it's not ready yet. It's just launching all of the things. So just click OK. Then when this comes up, just click cancel, and then just keep pressing it. Just a little glitch that I found. I don't know why it does that. And then now it's just gonna finish, and then you can just skip the tutorial, and then click reboot. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove all the. Oh no, I forgot to remove all of the floppy. So then once you have done that, and for some reason VMware is a really big pain about removing floppy disks, you have to, like, when it's restarting, you have to do it once it's restarting, or else it will automatically put it back in. I do not know why it does that, but if you don't do that, then it will just say an error. So right now it's just testing the memory. So now that that is done, go ahead and just type in Win, press enter, and it will boot up Windows 3.1. And boom, you're in the operating system. So now you can do a whole bunch of stuff, and yes, this mouse is really glitchy. I don't know why it's glitchy in 3.1. It is a pretty old operating system, but yeah. I'm gonna try and minimize this. It will work. Okay, you know what, never mind. So, come on, you can do it. Yeah, it did it. So, I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope that, yeah, I just hope that you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.